Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check Roblox server age. If you want to do this, first of all let me show you your account age here. You can go to the settings of your account here and you will come to know your age and everything, right? So let me tell you that how you can just check your server age here. So now guys, to check this out, first of all you have to enter the game on this server, right? Just to check your age. Now once you're here, you can just play this game. Now open developer console, press F9 on your keyboard when you're playing, or type slash console in the chat to open the developer console. In the console, look for the time displayed on the left side. They show when you join the server. You can use this time to estimate how long the server has been active since you joined. For example, if you see you have joined 3 hours ago, then the server has been up for at least that long. This method does not provide the exact age which I'm showing you, but given a quick way to see how long it has been running since you entry. Thanks for watching, subscribe.